Dini zangu vandi kanda mgumbari shumba. Aninga bunduki kwete hama. Tina Jesu mari waminana. Ano zisunga muru, sunga. Ano zisunga muru, sunga.
Oh, munu wese Ridza Bhosvo. Oh, munu wese Ridza Bhosvo.
Creative process of the song Ridza Bhosvo, it was kind of like crazy because I phoned my producer, MacD. MacD is my producer. So I'm like, guy, and then so got change, you can read about possible to come at Bhosvo, but Bhosvo, can we please come up with something, you know how it is. So I got to studio, and then yeah, at first he was a bit confused with it. That's how I'm going to say. Munu Ridza Bhosvo, Munu Ridza Bhosvo, Munu Ridza Bhosvo, Ridza Bhosvo. So this is a simple chorus where I'm saying, everybody blow your trumpet. Kuti namo dziri muupenyu hwako, you know. This song is derived from the Bible. Most of my writings are biblically guided, and I take reference from the Bible. So this was when vana veIsrael vachinzi tendererai masvingo Jericho, you know. So 7 times. It was a way when I was explaining to a situation in your life, a situation to, you know, you never know what person A is going through, person B going through. But then I wanted to put it in that manner. Kuti matamdziko ako iwewe tenderera 7 times, and on the 7th time blow a trumpet kuti nhamo dzako dzese dzidonhe pasi. Davhidhi Goriati unokunda, tinaye Samsoni maFiristia unokunda, muIjipita maIsraeli munabuda, Danyara mugombare shumba uchabuda. So on this part, I'm trying to, you know, bring in vakasanangurwa vamwari who vakapindana nazvo, but then they managed to overcome. So all I'm trying to say is, there is a problem in your life, there is that challenge in your life that will look like a Goliath in your life. So you need a David in your life. So, you know, and there are those other problems that will look like in phase 1 walked on fire, you know. And then now we're going to throw in iwewechi mugombare shumbare, and then it's over now. And then wakutoti ini Daniel ndatopukana imomo mugombare shumba dzatoshaya appetite kuti kondei sana. And then, you know, muIjipita maIsraeli munobuda, you know, there are certain situations that we get into, and you ask yourself, am I even going to come out of this challenge? But then so now the Red Sea, and I try to imagine even vachifamba paRed Sea, they are mazuva ano selfie nowadays. But then, you know, yes, that's how I was imagining the song. So where to get me and where to get my music? On social media, on Facebook, you can get me on Sabastian Magacha Official. That's my page. You can just go link the like page and follow me as well. On Instagram, it's Sabastian Magacha Official, same as Facebook. On Twitter, it's Saba Music. And you can grab my music on iTunes, especially this album, Tinaya Faithful God. That's where you get the song Ridza Bhosvo. You can get it on iTunes and all other online music shops. And so here is what you guys need to know about me. What you need to know about me is we have a new name. You and me, we've got one name, and we call ourselves Sabanations. So I love you so much, and may God richly bless you for supporting my music. I know we've been through a lot, ups and downs in life, but you've always been supporting my music I love you for that, and that's the reason why I will keep on doing good and keep on giving you good music. We're working on a number of albums, songs, videos. They are coming your way. God bless.